In this video we're giving an honest review of Jottacloud file storage, what it does well, where it falls short, and whether it's worth your time. Jottacloud is a Norwegian-based cloud storage service that emphasizes privacy and data protection under strict EU and Norwegian laws. Your files are encrypted both during transfer and while stored, and the platform runs entirely on renewable energy-powered data centers. One of its biggest draws is the unlimited plan, which truly lets you store huge amounts of data, though users report that speeds can slow down once uploads exceed several terabytes. It offers automatic backups, file syncing, photo storage, and multi-device access, making it a strong all-around backup option. On the positive side, users praise its reliability, solid privacy standards, and simple set-and-forget backup experience. It's particularly well-suited for long-term storage rather than constant real-time syncing. However, it's not perfect. Some users have noted slow performance when browsing large folders, especially through the mobile apps, and the interface can feel a bit dated or limited compared to bigger names like Google Drive or Dropbox. The mobile app also lacks advanced features like Smart Search and can take longer to index large archives. Overall, Jottacloud is a great choice if you value strong privacy, affordable storage, and the peace of mind that your data is hosted in a secure European jurisdiction. But if you need lightning-fast syncing, frequent collaboration tools, or highly polished apps, you might find it less convenient. If this review helped you decide, make sure to subscribe for more honest tech and cloud storage reviews.